Chemistry itself knows altogether too well that, given the real fear that the scarcity of global resources and energy might threaten the unity of mankind, chemistry is in a position to make a contribution towards securing a true peace on earth. I am welcoming Dr. Ajay Singh, Professor and Principal, School of Applied and Life Sciences
Okay.
and the Head of Department of Chemistry, Uttaranchal University, Dehradun, India. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, thank you, thank you very much.
Center of Chemistry and Chemical Excellence, or Triple CE, is organizing India's largest article writing competition, and Triple CE is the rostrum to showcase research on chemicals and chemistry globally and get an opportunity to learn new techniques via training, programs, and lectures. So, my first question is, being an advisory board member, why is this kind of activity important for the chemistry and chemical fraternity?
Okay, first of all, I would like to give thanks to the whole team of Center of Chemistry and Chemical Excellence, Journal SPUB, for giving me this opportunity to be part of this event as an advisor. So thank you very much.
Thank
And now come to your question that being advisor of this board member, okay, such kind of activities which we are organizing, chemical article writing competitions,
yeah.
such kind of activities are very important for chemistry and chemical fraternity, as by taking participation in such activities, manuscript writing, first and foremost thing is manuscript writing ability is enhanced among the students, among the professionals, or among the researchers. And by participation in such type of activities, their confidence level will be boosted up. They will get more knowledge in the field of chemical sciences, because when they will be going through this chemical article writing competition, they will review what has been done and what is the current demand in the field of chemical sciences. So they will gain the confidence, and overall personality will be groomed, and which will enhance their professional life.
It's absolutely true because from these type of activities, a student, learn many more things and confidence level boosts up. It's absolutely
Yeah.
true. So, how much is this competition beneficial for the chemistry and chemical community?
Let me just. Yes. This type of competitions are very much beneficial for the chemistry and this chemical science community, because you know that in the field of chemistry and chemical science there is a lot of scope for writing different types of manuscript, different types of articles, and how to write. The important thing is how to write the
Exactly.
papers, how to write, how to write the genuine noble articles. And by participation in these events, the students as well as the research scholars, they will be aware about about the procedure, about the steps which are involved in a article writing manuscript. And which is also a very important point, there should be a novelty, there should be the original ideas. Okay, once they click on that it should be the original or novel ideas. Okay, and that will help them to write proper articles, so that they can compete in
Yeah.
this world, because there are so many lot of journals are available in which publications can be done. But uh, by participation in such type of articles, they will get the beneficial that how others are doing in the same field. Okay, so this is very important, and it will be very much beneficial for the students, as well as the most important for the researchers who are involved in the chemistry and chemical sciences, because without publication, their thesis is not recognized in today's world. Even
Absolutely.
University Grants Commission (UGC) also has given the suggestions to write the papers, to publish the papers in Scopus SCI Web of Science Index journals. Okay, so it is very important to know about the writing skills, to know about the articles writing.
Okay, then what is the current requirement for students and professionals to go forward in the chemistry domain?
Okay, in today's scenario, there is a requirement that students as well as academicians, professionals, they should be aware, they should be aware about the first and foremost thing is that for publication, they should have idea. They should have idea that on what topic we are going to write. It may be a review paper, but how to write that review paper, that is very important. Okay, and
Exactly.
in writing the manuscript, I think writing a review paper is the most difficult thing, because what happens in most of the cases, students take the review from the with the help of Google or internet, okay, or even from the libraries. Okay, then what they do, they just take the paragraphs abstract and they combine it and give it to the publisher, and that is rejected. Because why? Because of its uh, you can say plagiarism part, which is very important. So students and as well as the academicians, they should be very much aware about the novelty, their ideas. One is, another is plagiarism. It should be free from plagiarism. They should analyze, they should do the critical review of the published articles in the same field. And if the work has been done by the researcher or academician in that field, that should be properly analyzed, that should be properly reviewed. Okay, by giving the examples of the contemporary researchers and the researchers who have done something in that field. So those things are very important. They should keep it. One is, there should be the novelty, originality of the ideas. And even if the person is writing a review article, then all the reviews should be systematically analyzed, whether we are starting in a chronological order or a reverse chronological order, or the basics to the advanced level of anything. Okay, so those will be properly analyzed, and there should be critical analysis by the author, so that there will be outcome in the form of something novelty. Okay, so that is very important. So these things are required for the professionals. Yes.
Yeah. So how research and research-based publications in the chemistry and chemical domain can be improved using triple CE like platforms.
uh, like triple C is providing a very big platform for the students as well as researcher or academicians,
Yeah.
and to improve their first one is to article writing skills. They will come to know what is the article writing and article writing skills. And by providing the platform, and also the many uh, academicians, researchers will come to know a lot of series is available for the publication through triple C. And they have provided so many journals, okay, in which good articles, novel ideas can be published. Okay,
Yeah.
so they will come to know about the different types of journals, publications which are available, in which papers can be published. And second thing is, and how the papers to be written, how articles to be written. Uh, by going through, by doing the review with the help of triple C journals, publications, researchers can go through that, what type of papers already has been published. They will also come to know what is the
Correct.
methodology is there, how to write the papers, how to write the abstract, what are the keywords, what should be the introduction in brief in their own words. Then research methodology, what is the research methodology is there. Then what material methods we have to write and how to write it. And then there is a result discussion with observations. And finally, how to conclude it. So they will come to know with the help of a triple C, and this triple C is giving a very big platform by providing this opportunity to the students as well as to the researchers. Okay,
Yeah.
and definitely the researchers and academicians, they will have a very good opportunity by participation in this event. And they will also come to know that uh, how better manuscript can be written, and
Hmm.
how it can be published in a reputed refereed journals that like we are having in journals pub. Many journals are there which are refereed journals,
Yeah.
so they can publish their uh, papers in these refereed journals. And many journals, most of the journals are provided free of cost. Just only triple C is wants that manuscript should be of good quality. That should be the
Absolutely.
novelty.
Absolutely.
So that is the very important thing, because
Yeah.
we find, okay, in today's scenario there are so many journals, and what they are doing, they are taking the papers and they are not checking their novelties, their originalities, and or their plagiarism part. Okay, and they are
Correct.
accepting it just for some you can say some those are predatory journals. Okay, so I recommend that all the academician researchers should go for those journals which are accepting the papers on the basis of their originality, their novelties, and their quality of the paper, and
Yes.
which is all being done by the triple C journals pub. So this is my also the congratulations to the triple C for organizing such type of events, and hopefully such type of events will be organized in the future also, which will be useful. And also our college, our university, Uttaranchal University, which is also very uh, famous university in the this North India, in the especially in Uttarakhand region. We will also organize many such events with the combination with the you can say cooperation of triple C.
Yeah. See, there is an opportunity. Now people have to grab that. Yeah. So thank you very much, sir. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your words. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank
Okay,
you,
my
sir.
best wishes.
Thank you.